Good morning, student. Uh, Today class will see about some properties of diborane. It is very important. Sometimes it is also called a borohydride. Its chemical formula is it should be P2H6, or sometimes it can be also written as BH3 also, because it is two molecules of boron and H3. So in one of our earlier video, we have discussed a brief information about the chemical properties. When the group 13 elements undergo reaction with the halide, we get a different halide compound. And when group 13 elements like a boron, aluminum, right, gallium, indium, and thallium, we get the different compounds of hydride. Out there in the group 13, when undergo reaction with the hydride, we have discussed, we get the boron on reaction with hydrogens, we get the boron hydride, right, P2H6, right? So boron undergo reaction with hydride, we get the boron hydride. So this was a general formula we have discussed, and we get a different compounds. So this boron hydride P2H6, it is a diborane, two molecules of boron, diborane. Out there we are going to discuss about the preparation. We will also see about the reaction, few reaction, its structure and uses. So out here in banana pond you will see so in this video we will see about its preparation and reaction. Its structure and uses we will discuss in the upcoming video. So the concept behind this diboron, it is a di means two, right? Diborane, it is a P2H6. This is a one type of hydride complex in the group 13 elements. So this diborane is, in simple, you can also be represented as this is P2 and H. This is just a general structure I'm showing. So two molecules of boron, you have one boron, two boron, and you have 6 hydrogen. So the structure we will be discussing in the next video. So this boron hydride, it is preparation. This boron hydride, it is prepared by a different method. One method is on reactions. One method is in group 13 element. We have discussed about when the group 13 element react with halide complex. We have discussed out there we have when boron would react with the fluorine, boron trifluoride, we have formed in the halide, right? Boron trifluoride. So, and not only that, when the aluminum on reaction with the hydrogen, we get the aluminum, or yes, okay. So that's all. So from the halide complex also we get when boron trifluoride BF3, when boron trifluoride, that is, let me write it, when boron 3 molecules of fluoride, boron 3 molecules of lithium aluminum hydride. So when boron trifluoride undergo reaction with lithium aluminum hydride, you get 2 molecules of diborane with a release of 3 3 molecules of lithium aluminum fluoride. So this is Diborane, one type of preparation method. Not only that, we also prepare from the sodium boron, 2 molecules of NaPH4 when undergo reaction with the mineral acid like a sulfuric acid, we get this P2H6 you will get with the release of 2 molecules of hydrogen, plus Na2SO4, so sodium sulfate also we get. Not only that, or if you hit with the NaPH4 undergo reaction with the H3 hypophosphorus complex, you get the here also P2H6 you will get. So these are the 2 important methods of preparation of Diborane with release of NaH2PO4. So these are the 2 important methods used for the preparation of Diborane, right? Diborane, this is Diborane, and this its structure is P2H5. Its chemical properties of Diboranes, we have a lot of properties, but in this video we will discuss about the 2 important properties. When this on reaction, when this Diborane chemical properties, number 1 is on reaction with water, H2O. When this Diborane undergo reaction with water, so Diborane is P2H6. When this react with 6 molecules of water, you get a boric acid. What is the chemical formula? We have discussed POH3. You will get 2 molecules of boric acid. We have discussed in the last video about the properties of boric acid. You can go through its structure and properties of boric acid we have discussed. So when Diborane, that is the Diborane undergo reaction with the water molecules, you get the boric acid with the release of 6 molecules of hydrogen gas, right? This is the one type of chemical reactions. And another chemical properties is reaction, Diborane on reaction with oxygen, so such type of question you will get also. So when this Diborane P2H6, when Diborane undergo reaction with the oxygen, here also you will get the boric acid, but since the enthalpy of this reaction takes place in the enthalpy of the reactions is negative, that is a highly exothermic, it is very exothermic reaction. It is very high exothermic reaction. So this boric acid can further be broken down into P2O5 with the release of liquid water. This water is very pure water. You will get P2O3, right? Boron trioxide, you will get boron trioxide. So these are the 2 chemical properties you have to know about. What happens when the Diborane undergo reaction with water? When Diborane react with water, you get the boric acid with the release of hydrogen gas. right? On reaction with oxygen, diborane react with the oxygen to give the boric acid. This is also a boric acid. Boric acid, right? With the release of water molecules. With the release of water molecules. So this, so such type of question you will get. Let's say you have a one type of examples. You might also get some examples like you have a question example, right? Say you have a examples in multiple choice question also. You might get MCQ also, like P2H6 P2H6 react with water to give. You have option number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So suppose you have this type of example, so the right answer will be, you have a water, boric acid react with water to give what we have discussed, boric acid, like diborane react with water to give boric acid with the release of hydrogen gas. So this will be the answer. In that way you will also get. So not only that, if you might also get P2H6 react with oxygen to give, you have the right answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose you have the answer will be to give P2O3 and water. If so, such type of multiple choice question you may even come across in the diborane. So diborane is also very important properties. Its structure will be discussed in the upcoming video. For today class, we'll stop from here. Thank you everyone for watching the video.